Top 5 vitamins to repair nerve damage. Are you suffering from nerve pain, numbness, or tingling? Do you want to know how to heal your nerves naturally and effectively? If you answered yes, then this video is for you. In this video, I will share with you the top 5 vitamins that can help you repair your nerve damage and improve your quality of life. These vitamins are backed by scientific research and have proven benefits for nerve health. So, stay tuned and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more health tips and tricks. Here are top 5 vitamins to repair nerve damage. 1. Vitamin B12. The nerve protector. Vitamin B12 is essential for maintaining the health of nerve cells by supporting the myelin sheath, which protects nerve fibers. Nerve damage can occur when there is a deficiency of B12, leading to issues like peripheral neuropathy. Good dietary sources of B12 include fish, meat, poultry, eggs, and dairy products. For those on vegetarian or vegan diets, B12 supplements are often recommended. 2. Vitamin D. The sunshine vitamin. Vitamin D is crucial for nerve health as it helps regulate calcium absorption, which is essential for nerve signaling. Inadequate vitamin D levels can lead to nerve dysfunction and contribute to conditions like multiple sclerosis. Sunlight exposure, along with foods like fatty fish, salmon, mackerel, fortified dairy products, and vitamin D supplements, can help maintain adequate levels. 3. Vitamin E. The antioxidant ally. Vitamin E acts as an antioxidant, protecting nerve cells from oxidative stress and damage caused by free radicals. Oxidative damage can contribute to neuropathies and other nerve-related issues. Foods rich in vitamin E include nuts, seeds, spinach, broccoli, and vegetable oils. 4. Vitamin B6. The nerve communicator. Vitamin B6 plays a vital role in nerve cell communication by assisting in the production of neurotransmitters. A deficiency in B6 can lead to nerve-related problems such as carpal tunnel syndrome. Dietary sources of vitamin B6 include bananas, poultry, fish, beans, and fortified cereals. 5. Vitamin C. The nerve protector. Vitamin C supports nerve health by aiding in the repair and growth of nerve cells. It is also an antioxidant that can protect nerve cells from damage. Citrus fruits, oranges, lemons, strawberries, bell peppers, and broccoli are excellent sources of vitamin C. Thanks for watching. I hope this video has been helpful in learning about the top 5 vitamins to repair nerve damage. Remember, it's important to talk to your doctor before taking any new supplements, especially if you have any underlying health conditions.